Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Today we're going to talk about the Hilton Honors Surpass Card, which is the mid-level card on the personal side from American Express. If you are a Hilton loyalist or you simply want some free nights for your upcoming vacation or travels, this could be a great card to have in your wallet. Let's go over the sign-up bonus, how you can earn and redeem points, and the perks and benefits that come with the card. So first of all, the Hilton Honors American Express Surpass Card, while it has a ton of words in the name, also has a pretty cool design. Here's what the card looks like, of course with all the numbers covered up. But it didn't used to look like this. It used to look like this actually. So it had a major card redesign. The one on the left here is the old version, and it was originally called the Hilton Honors Surpass Card as well. But then when this card came out, Hilton rebranded it to the Ascend Card. So it was called the Hilton Honors American Express Ascend Card, but that caused a ton of confusion with the Aspire Card. And people started mixing up Ascend and Aspire and saying them backwards, and it was all crazy. So they basically went back to the Surpass nomenclature for the card. So again, here's the old, here's the new, and now it's still called the Surpass Card, despite all the branding faux pas that happened in the past. So now let's jump into all the juicy details of the Hilton Honors Surpass Card because there are a lot of great ones to talk about. Beginning with the sign-up bonus, as of November 2020, you can earn 150,000 Hilton Honors points after spending $3,000 on the card in the first 3 months. Now this card allows you to earn points very quickly in a lot of useful categories, especially at home. First of all, you can earn 12 points per dollar at Hilton properties, and then 6 points per dollar at US supermarkets, US restaurants, US gas stations, and triple points on all other purchases. The annual fee on this card is $95. Now, after you've spent months accruing thousands of points, you now want to redeem them. And of course, the best value will typically be on Hilton hotels, where the average point value is about 0.6 cents each on average. That's where your 150,000 point welcome bonus will be around $900 of value, of course, based on the hotel property that you decide to redeem at. Moving on to the perks and benefits of the card, we'll begin with Hilton Honors Gold status. That is complimentary with the card simply by having the card open and paying the annual fee each year. Then you can earn Hilton Honors Diamond Elite status by spending $40,000 in 1 calendar year on the card. And if you do that every single year, then you will always have Diamond status. The card also gives you a weekend night reward certificate after spending just $15,000 in 1 calendar year, which is great because when that future trip comes up, you can redeem points for some nights and also redeem your certificate for another night to reduce your cost even further on your hotel stay. You're also going to be getting a Priority Pass Select membership, giving you 10 free visits to Priority Pass airport lounges around the world. And if you decide to travel abroad, there are no foreign transaction fees on this card. Lastly, on the retail side, there's a ShopRunner membership that comes with the card too, giving you free 2-day shipping and returns at a bunch of different retailers. See what I mean? There are a ton of different benefits here that come with the card that are extremely valuable if you travel moderately to frequently and especially stay at Hilton hotels. So let's dive into a little bit more detail on the main benefits of this card so you understand what they're about and how to use them effectively. For Hilton Honors Gold status, there's nothing you need to do. It just comes with the card and it's automatically associated with your account. You receive all the benefits at the standard member level, which you achieve by simply signing up for the Hilton Honors program totally for free. You get all the benefits at the Silver Elite level. And then on top of all that, you receive additional benefits that begin at the Gold Elite level, which include 80% bonus points on stays, space available room upgrades, free continental breakfast, and milestone bonuses. So basically what's going to happen is this. You can now check into your hotel, potentially receive an upgrade to a nice room, ideally with a better view, earn way more base points than those Silver Elite people, and have free breakfast in the morning. But notice how it did not mention the milestone bonuses, and here's why. First of all, let me explain what they are. You can earn 10,000 bonus points every 10th night in the Hilton Honors program after reaching at least 40 nights in a calendar year. Then you can earn an additional 30,000 bonus points on your 60th night per year. You're automatically enrolled and eligible for these milestone bonuses as soon as you join the Hilton Honors program and hit your 40th night and above. And that's the key right there. Normally you can earn Gold Elite status by staying 40 nights at Hilton properties. But because you're being given Gold status through a credit card, even if you don't stay a single night in the whole year, what that means is you have not stayed 40 nights. So milestone bonuses are not necessarily associated with Gold status or above, but rather with the number of nights you stay. So yes, you actually have to stay 40 nights or 60 nights to hit those additional bonuses. Now let's move on to the weekend night reward. You'll receive this via email within 8 to 12 weeks after spending $15,000 on your card in 1 calendar year. It will expire 1 year after it's issued, and you redeem via phone. Yeah, weird, right? Most other programs that offer this type of perk, like Marriott or Hyatt, you can just redeem it online from your account simply by yourself. But for some reason, Hilton's still kind of old school in this approach, and yes, you gotta call up a rep, wait on hold, and eventually speak with somebody to book it for you. When you call in to redeem via phone, do note that it is valid for 1 standard room on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday nights. The excluded properties are listed at hiltonhonors.com/weekend-reward. I'll put a clickable link to that in the description below in case you'd like to look at that list of properties that will not work for this weekend night certificate. And I'm happy to say that this list of exclusions is actually quite small. Some more great news is that the weekend night reward covers resort fees and taxes. Not bad. Plus, there's no limit on value or hotel brand, which is awesome because the certificates issued by Marriott, IHG, and Hyatt all have restrictions on the maximum value that you can redeem them for based on category or on point value. When you're ready to redeem, all you have to do is call 1-800-4-HONORS, which is 1-800-446-6677, and talk to a representative saying that you want to redeem your weekend night reward for a stay. All you gotta do is tell the representative your reward ID, which I've boxed there in red with the arrow that comes in the email on your certificate. So yeah, again, it could be a bit of a nuisance to have to call and wait for somebody because especially when the phone lines are long, you could be waiting for a few minutes to speak with somebody. But nonetheless, I've done this a few times in years past. It's still a very simple process. And because you can use this certificate at a budget Hampton Inn, a mid-tier DoubleTree, an upscale Canopy, or even a full luxury Conrad or Waldorf Astoria hotel, spending the time to redeem this in the old school way over the phone with a representative is a small price to pay for the potential value that you can get out of this certificate. Then we've got the Priority Pass Select membership. Now, if you did not have this benefit with the card, you can actually sign up for Priority Pass to get airport lounge access on your own for a fee that you pay on an annual basis. They have the Standard, Standard Plus, and Prestige levels. And the equivalent level that comes with the Hilton Honors Surpass Card is the Standard Plus. That would normally retail for about $299 per year. And that's the one that gives you 10 free visits. Then beyond that, you pay the individual day pass rate, which is $32 per member visit. And that same rate goes for guest fees as well if you bring other people. Regarding insurance and protections on the card, you will receive a baggage insurance plan, car rental loss and damage insurance, extended warranty protection, purchase protection, and a global assist hotline. I'll put a link in the description below in case you'd like to read more about the details of each of these benefits. Hilton Honors Surpass. Should you get it? Let's find out. You should consider getting this card if you stay at Hilton properties, spend a lot at restaurants, supermarkets, and gas stations, value Gold status benefits, and spend $15,000 per year for the weekend night reward. Now, of course, you don't have to do all of these things to be able to justify the card, but because there is an annual fee of $95, you want to make sure you get at least some value out of these benefits to justify that. Because remember, there's also a no-fee Hilton Honors card too. I did a separate video review on that one, and I recommend you watch it if you just want to earn points for free nights to save money on travel and don't really care about elite benefits. You should not consider the Hilton Honors Surpass card if you don't stay at Hilton properties, don't care about elite status, prefer other hotel chains, or prefer cashback rewards. Because if you try to pay your rent with Hilton Honors points, your landlord probably won't like you for very long. So there's the full review of the Hilton Honors American Express Surpass card. It would be great if they shortened that name. On the whole, I'd say this is one of the best hotel cards that you can possibly have in your wallet. And in case you'd like to apply for this card, I do have a link in the description below. It is my referral link, so it's a great way to support this channel if you value the information that I provide to you in these videos. I really appreciate it if you use it. Also, that link can actually allow you to apply for any American Express card that you might be interested in, even if it's not the Hilton Honors Surpass card. So click on that link and browse all the different cards that might be a great fit for you. That said, if you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. I also love to know if you agree with my assessment that this is one of the best hotel cards on the market right now. Let me know your thoughts in those comments below. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.